Hello, this is Nikhil Parashar. I'm a technical analyst from trade2bazaar.com. We are starting a new segment that has been called Live in Play. We will be updated a new video every week how market will behave in India and globally for the whole week. So this is our first video that we are updating. So let's talk about the market. First, I give you a very simple example that one of my client asked me, how can I trade now? Can I keep away or go long or be a short in the market? Are really eager to buy some. He's telling me that he's really eager to buy some stock. Because stocks are the some of the very good stocks in the market down more than 50% from the top. I just answer him very simply, just wait for 2 days, just wait for Friday. What's gonna happen on Friday? On Friday, very crucial inflation number is coming in US. Investor and traders are expecting a very high inflation. Also, people worry about the high crude prices. We think, let's talk about the crude prices. We think the crude resistance at 138 to 140 levels and support at 120 level. If it breaks the 120 level and inflation report is coming down as people expecting, global and Indian market will take support from there. If I say Nifty, recent support for the Nifty is around 4300, and in Dow Jones recent support is 10,150. If it breaks the Nifty in 4300 and Dow around 12,150, I think the next support for the Dow is around 11,650. If I again, Dow will again this break this level that I told you, that 11,650. uh, so I think the US market will be in bear market. So just wait for the Friday report and keep eye on the crude prices. If it, there is a very good support at 120 level. If it breaks the 120 level in crude, I think we'll go down around 110 and 150. Then if it both things is coming positively, I think market will take support from there, and it will be consolidated from 4200 to 4600 for the next 2 months.